Let's talk about space exploration today. Let's talk about space exploration today.
That sounds exciting. What aspect are you most interested in?
I'm really fascinated by the possibility of colonizing Mars.
Mars is definitely a hot topic. Do you think humans will actually live there one day?
I believe it's possible, especially with the advancements in technology.
Right? Companies like SpaceX are making huge strides in that direction.
Exactly. Their plans for Mars missions are ambitious but inspiring.
Do you think we'll see a manned mission to Mars in our lifetime?
I hope so, maybe within the next couple of decades.
That would be amazing to witness. What do you think the biggest challenge is?
I think sustaining life there is a major hurdle, like food and water supply.
True, and the radiation exposure is a big concern too.
Yes, they need to find ways to protect astronauts from that.
Have you heard about the ideas for underground habitats?
I have. That seems like a smart solution to shield from radiation.
Plus, it could help with temperature regulation. Mars gets really cold.
Definitely. It's like living in a freezer.
And what about the psychological effects of isolation?
That's a huge factor. Long missions could be tough on mental health.
They'll need to have strong support systems in place for that.
For sure, team dynamics will be crucial for success.
I wonder how they'll select the crew for such missions.
They'll probably look for a mix of skills and personalities.
Makes sense. Diversity in skills could help solve unexpected problems.
Exactly. And they'll need to be able to work well together.
What about the technology they'll use? Any thoughts?
I think robotics will play a big role in exploration and construction.
Agreed. Drones and rovers could do a lot of the heavy lifting.
Plus, they can explore areas that are too dangerous for humans.
Right. It's like having a safety net for the crew.
I'm curious about the potential discoveries they might make.
Same here. Imagine finding signs of past life on Mars.
That would be groundbreaking. It could change everything we know.
It would definitely spark a lot of interest in space exploration.
And it might encourage more funding for future missions.
Absolutely. People love the idea of discovering new worlds.
Speaking of funding, what do you think about private companies in space?
I think it's great. They bring innovation and competition to the field.
Yes, it's exciting to see what they can achieve alongside NASA.
Do you think they'll eventually take over space exploration?
Not completely, but they'll play a significant role in the future.
I can see that. Collaboration could lead to amazing advancements.
Definitely. Working together could speed up progress.
What about the moon? Do you think we'll return there soon?
I hope so. The Artemis program aims to get us back by the mid-2020s.
That's exciting. A lunar base could be a stepping stone to Mars.
Exactly. It would help us test technologies and life support systems.
Plus, the moon has resources we could use for future missions.
Right. Helium-3 could be a game changer for energy.
It's fascinating how much potential there is in our own backyard.
For sure. The moon could teach us so much about space travel.
And it's a lot closer than Mars, which is a huge advantage.
Yes, it's like a practice run before heading to Mars.
I wonder what it will be like to walk on the moon again.
It would be surreal. The view must be incredible.
And the experience of zero gravity is something else entirely.
I can only imagine. It must feel like floating in a dream.
Have you ever thought about what it would be like to be an astronaut?
All the time. It seems like such an adventurous life.
It does, but the training must be intense.
I can't even imagine the physical and mental preparation involved.
And the selection process must be super competitive.
Definitely. Only the best of the best get to go.
Do you think you would want to go if given the chance?
I think I would. The thrill of exploration is hard to resist.
Same here. But I'd also be nervous about the risks.
That's understandable. Space travel is not without dangers.
What do you think is the biggest risk?
Probably the launch and re-entry phases. They're critical moments.
And any technical failures during the mission could be catastrophic.
Yes, that's why redundancy in systems is so important.
It's fascinating how much planning goes into every detail.
Absolutely. Every mission is a huge undertaking.
What do you think about the idea of space tourism?
I think it's an exciting concept. It could open up space to more people.
Right? Imagine just taking a vacation in space.
That would be a once-in-a-lifetime experience for sure.
I wonder how affordable it will be in the future.
Hopefully, as technology advances, prices will come down.
That would make it accessible to more people.
I can see a future where space hotels become a reality.
That would be wild. floating in a hotel room with a view of Earth.
It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
For sure. It's amazing how quickly things are evolving.
I can't wait to see what the next few decades bring.
Same here. The possibilities are endless.
And who knows what we might discover beyond our solar system.
Exactly. Exoplanets are a whole new frontier for exploration.
I'm really curious about the potential for life on those planets.
It's mind-blowing to think about the possibilities out there.
And with telescopes getting better, we're learning more every day.
Right? The James Webb Space Telescope is already making waves.
It's incredible how much detail it can capture.
I can't wait to see the discoveries it will lead to.
Each new finding could change our understanding of the universe.
It's like peeling back the layers of a giant cosmic onion.
Haha, that's a great way to put it.
Space is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered.
And each mission brings us one step closer to understanding it all.
It's a thrilling time to be interested in space exploration.
Absolutely. The future looks bright for space enthusiasts.
I'm excited to see how humanity will expand its reach into the cosmos.
Me too. It's a journey that's just beginning.
Here's to hoping we make it to the stars one day.
Cheers to that. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.